Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to check seller ratings on Amazon. First of all, you can open the Amazon application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply select the product that you want to see the seller ratings. I can select this product. After selecting the product, you will see the ratings at the top right corner of the product, that is 4.4. Or you can also scroll down and down, and here you will see the three options, that is top of the screen, details, questions or reviews. Tap on reviews, and here you will see the reviews 4.4 out of 5. This is global ratings. And now you can see the seller ratings on Amazon. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.